Hi guys, so I woke up again today. It's my second day off, and I dreamt of eating lechon, but I think I'll try to put it in kawali. So let's figure out to put the lechon in the kawali. So guys, may nakita akong pork belly sa ref. Pinakuluan ko muna. Pero I don't have kawali at this moment. So, I put it in the cacerola. Okay, so let it boil. I think we should put some garlic. I think we put some garlic. Because I saw before my mother or my husband, they're putting garlic. And with the water, we will need salt. Yeah, let's put some salt. Anyway, salt is universal, you know. Let's put our salt. There you are. Should I put some pepper? I will ask first my husband. Daddy, do I need to put some pepper? I think he said yes. So we'll put some pepper. Whew. There is the pepper. My favorite pepper. So again here guys, you can see I only have the pork, garlic again, and no veggies as well. This is only what we have in the kitchen. Then I think I need to cover and let it simmer. So let's wait and see and pray that it will turn out good as well, like my miswa yesterday. See you again, my lechon, in the casserole first, then in kawali. So guys, I'm waiting for the lechon na maging tender siya. I think I need to boil it for an hour. So I'm catching some sunshine here, or I need to feel warm. It's quite cold here sa flat po. Hindi dahil winter, pero dahil sa AC lang yun. So, ang hirap para magluto ng lechon kawali, papakuluan mo muna. Then we will get ready para ipirito pa siya. Sana nag-order na lang ako, no? Pero eto na, nasimulan na. Pasikat ba? Ika. Just wait and see. So guys, balik na tayo kay belly. It's been an hour already, so let's check kung siya ay malambot na. So the best way to check it is get a tinador and tusok-tusokin lang natin like this. Ayan. Wow, it looks malambot na. Ayan, so looks malambot na siya. So patayin muna natin siya din. Bago natin siyang pirituhin is pahingahin muna natin yung pork belly. Papahingahin muna natin si pork belly bago siya pirituhin. Bakit kaya? So, tinanong ko din yun eh. I think, dahil, I think para matanggal na yung iba pang water. Ayan. So, better yet, transfer natin siya sa plato. Yan. Looks yummy. Sorry, porky. Ayan. So, diyan ka muna. Belly. Ilang minuto kaya to para ma-drain yung water? Hayaan mo muna siya dyan. Tinatamad pa ako magprito. Maya-maya ako. So guys, si Belly na dito na po sa maliit pang lalong kaserola kasi fry na po natin siya. Immediately tinakpan na kasi super tumatalsik. That's almost it. Prito lang siya. And we'll wait until masarap to. Until maluto siya. Guys, ito na po si belly natin. And look how beautiful the color is now. It's perfect brown. I think we just need to wait a little while. bago natin siya pwedeng makain. So guys, our lechon from Kawali to the plate, it's done. Perfectly done. And you know what? My favorite ingredient, the garlic. Ginawa ko na rin siyang sausaw. Ayan. Siyempre, may special guest tayo, ang suka. You know guys, yung suka, mahal namin yung mga taga-Bulacan kasi nandyan lang yan sa amin sa Bulacan. Siyempre, nandun pa rin si pepper kasi nandyan si salt. Pagka may salt, may pepper daw. So, tara na po. Matitikman na natin ang aking lechon. Kawali. Alam nyo, ngayon ko lang itong gawa. Akala ko mahirap. Madali lang pala. So, ayan na siya. Ito. Ayan siya. So, let's make sausaw to our Bulacan style na sausawan. At, sante ah. Kaya nga. Narinig niyo yung sobrang lutong. Para siyang ano. Para siya yung nabibili namin sa crossing. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang sarap nito. Pwede na akong magluto uli. So guys, eto na siya. Sana matikman nyo at magawa nyo sa bahay nyo. Although sobrang simple lang ito ng ginawa ko. Dahil hindi nga ako sanay magluto. Basta pinakuluan ko lang siya. Tapos kung ano-ano lang nalagay ko dun sa pakulo. Tapos pinilito ko lang. Siyempre, tinanong ko lang yung asawa ko kung paano siya yung mga steps. Well, thank you guys. Till my next lutuan. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe. Tap the notification bell. And kain na tayo. Thank you. Be safe. Take care. Yun na.